Hello, my name is Adam and I'm part of Google team in Globema, a Google Cloud Premier partner. Welcome in the next video from our Google Maps platform tutorial series. Our last video covered the first product, Maps. In this video, we are going to dedicate our time to next one of Google Maps platform three core products, Routes. Plus, we will show you which API services are included in this product. You may know the situation in larger cities where information about real-time traffic conditions is crucial for deliveries, taxi rides, and many other businesses. Routes help Google Maps platform users predict time of delivery of a package or find the most accurate pickup time for taxi customer. In other cases, business owners may want to show their potential customers how to get to their restaurant, grocery, or barber shop. With Routes, you can create efficient routes to lower costs and improve customer experience using real-time and predictive traffic models. You can also plan trips for up to 25 waypoints with up-to-date data on distances between points, suggested routes, and estimated travel times. Keep your workforce moving even during rush hour. Choose faster routes or reallocate deliveries to workers based on real-time traffic conditions. You can even monitor the real-time location of a moving vehicle and determine the route a vehicle travels to create more precise itineraries. Routes provide reliable directions anywhere in the world, with same routes detail, quality of service and optimization. Routes has comprehensive up-to-date driving directions covering more than 60 million kilometers of roads in over 200 countries and territories. Routes also provides directions for biking or walking. Of course, users can also check for directions for public transportation, covering more than 3.8 million stations and 20,000 towns and cities. Wherever you do your business, you can count on comprehensive, reliable routes. When you build on the same infrastructure that serves billions of Google Maps users and delivers over 800 million routes a day, you can count on a platform that will scale and flex as you do. APIs for routes enable businesses to provide users with the best way to get from A to B with high-quality directions and real-time traffic updates. Google has three APIs supporting routes. Directions API provides directions for transit, biking, driving, or walking between multiple locations. Distance Metrics API calculates travel time and distance for multiple destinations. As you can see in the picture, the closest place by air distance is not always the closest place with driving mode. Plus, you can choose if you need real-time traffic information or if just time calculated based on distance is okay for you. Routes API determines the precise route a vehicle travels. The API is available via a simple HTTPS interface and exposes the following services. The first one, Snap to Routes. The service returns the best fit road geometry for a given set of GPS coordinates. This service takes up to 100 GPS points collected along a route and returns a similar set of data with the points snapped to the most likely roads the vehicle was traveling along. Optionally, you can request points to be interpolated, resulting in a path that smoothly follows the geometry of the road. Nearest roads. This service returns individual road segments for a given set of GPS coordinates. It takes up to 100 GPS points and returns the closest road segment for each point. Points passed do not need to be part of a continuous path. The last one, Speed Limits. Service returns the posted speed limit for a road segment. With this function, you can check if drivers in your fleet are driving carefully. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Google Maps Platform video tutorial series, and I believe you gained some interesting information. I'm looking forward to speak to you in the next video, in which we will continue with product overview. In case of any questions, you can comment under video or leave us a message through our website. If you liked this video, you can click on like button and subscribe button to stay connected with next topics and Globema. Thank you and have a nice day.